What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to set up to receive or not receive an email notifications when some plugin, some theme, some version of your WordPress, it's updated, it's automatically updated on your site. So you're gonna be notified by email. This is very good for security because imagine that you have a store running with WooCommerce plugin and this plugin automatically updates and this breaks some of your add-ons, some of your integrations, so it generates you a lot of trouble. So you need to know about it. So let's learn how to do this into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because you bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet on site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Right here we're gonna review the upper right corner of our screen. Next to the keyword field, you're gonna find a text field called search plugins, and right here we're gonna type WP Updates Notifier. Okay, so this is the guy. Okay, unfortunately the developer of this plugin has been updated this plugin 4 years ago. However, there is no potential security risk as long as we can test, and there is a lot of sites already using and hating it. Okay, so things all safe. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. If you scroll down, you're gonna be able to see the WP Updates Notifier. However, if you go from the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard, once again, scroll down and now hover your mouse over settings next to tools, you're gonna be able to see a new submenu called WP Updates Notifier. Okay, so next to the privacy there is this one right here, the Updates Notifier. If you click right here, we can set the options for this plugin. Let's explore one by one. Frequency to check. Every minute, it's too much, no needs for it. Every 5 minutes, every 50 minutes, every once an hour, twice daily, once daily, weekly, once weekly, every 15 days, monthly. So what is the frequency that I would like to learn? I recommend twice daily. Okay, it's my personal favorite option, but choose the best one to make you feel safe. Notify about plugins updates. Yes, but only inactive plugins. Yes or no. Recommend to choose yes. Notify about theme updates. No, yes, yes, but only active themes. I recommend that you set yes. Notify automatically core updates on this address. Yes, please. Hide core WP updates from non-admin users. Yes, please. Non-admin users have no need to receive those emails. Email notifications. Send email notifications. Yes. Notify email to. You can set right here a couple of emails separated by a comma. Okay, so make sure that you set your email and other important emails from website admins, not my email from, same case right here. Okay, and we have an extra option that is really good. Okay, that is send Slack notifications webhook URL. So in the case that I want to send to Slack notifications, you need to share the community webhook URL right here. Okay, the channel to notify it's not required. Now we have the saving options: save settings and test, Slack post, save settings and with text email, or save settings. Let's save settings. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg. Our Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, Growth with 3 Ws, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts and connecting with a growing blogging community. Our Sites.gallery, it's an amazing place to promote your site, your landing page, your game design, all for free. You're gonna get listed right here, be awarded, connect with a blogging community and a design community. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your WordPress website, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, premium themes, plugins, options, assets, widgets, blocks, icons, and our full support. Basically, everything you need to create, design, and build an amazing website from the beginning. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!